Let's solve this bearing problem that we have here on the board. A ship is 3 km due east of a harbor, and another ship is also 3 km from the same harbor, but on a bearing of 42 degrees from it. Then we are looking for the distance between the two ships and the bearing of the second ship from the first ship. Okay, so this is a bearing. The first thing we do is to draw the required diagram. So let here be the harbor. Okay, let's call it A. Let the harbor be A, and this is my north pole, because every movement will start from the north pole. Now ship A, okay, the first ship moves on the eastern pole of the harbor. So this is the pole due east. It moved in this direction. All right, that is due east. It will move on the pole of the east from the harbor, and then another ship moved 42 degrees. This is 3 km. Okay, so the next ship moved from the same harbor at angle of 42. Here is 42, so the movement will be like this. This is 42 degrees. 042 is the same thing as 42, just that it is represented as a 3-digit or 3-figure bearing. So this is 3 kilometers. Now you may ask, how long should this line go? This line should go as far as just close to this pole, because you know that this length and this length are the same. But this line will not extend as far as getting to the north of this pole, because it has lifted to a certain degree. So the length where this one will get to will not be exactly on this same pole. So let's assume it here. You know, we are not drawing to scale, so it will not be very perfect. Then let's join it to make it a triangle. All right, so this is what we have, and we are asked, so let's call this one C, and this one is the first boat, which is B, or ship rather. So to solve, we are asked to find the distance between the two ships. So we are looking for here, let's label it Y. This is what we are looking for. All right, so we are going to use cosine rule. Since we have here, and we are looking for the third side, and this side we are looking for is facing an angle which can be obtained. Total angle from here to here is 90 degrees. Therefore, here alone will be 48. 48 plus 42 will give us 90 degrees. So hence we have this, we solve cosine rule. And cosine rule says that A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. All right, we are looking for the side facing the angle here. Here is A, so here is small letter A. All right, so we have A, or let's use Y, since here we label this Y. Y squared is equal to B is here 3 km squared, then this is C, 3 squared minus 2 into BC, that is 3 and 3, cos my angle is 48, so I'll have cos 48. Let's simplify. 3 squared is 9, 3 squared is 9, 3 times 3, 9 times 2, 18. Then we press our calculator for the value of cos 48. Cos 48 is 0.6691,306.06. All right. Then let's operate from the right to the left, from the left to the right. This plus this will give me 18. Please don't subtract it from this 18, you multiply first. So I will multiply 18 against the value of my cos, and then I obtained 12.04435,091. Subtract it from 18. We'll be having our Y to be equal to 5.955649,086. You know, it's not good to approximate while you are still solving. You approximate at the final answer. So this guy has a squared. Now to get the value of y, we take the square root of the both sides. I will have my y to be equal to 2.440419858. At this point we can approximate. So let my y be equal to 2.44 to 2 decimal places. I approximated to 2 decimal places. Okay, so we've gotten the distance between the first boat and the second boat, or rather ship, which is this distance. Now the next question says find the bearing of the second boat or ship from the first ship. This is the second ship. So if somebody here wants to go to this place, he returns from the North Pole until he gets to this line of movement. Take note that all movement starts from the North Pole. So the angle we are looking for is this whole angle I marked with my black marker. So it will be easy for us if we are able to get this angle inside here, because I already know that here is 90, here is 90, here is 90. So if I get this angle, I will now add all of them to get the bearing of C from B. So let's get this angle theta. Remember that this is 3 km, this is 3 km, giving us isosceles triangle. Since this place is 3 cm or kilometer and here is 3 km, that shows us that these base angles are equal. So here being 48 will help us get the base angles. To get the base angles, we simply subtract 48 from 180. If I subtract, I will have 132 degrees. Now 132 degrees is the sum of these two angles. Remember that the both of them are equal. So since the both of them are equal, I can divide them by 2 to get the individual angles. So if I divide, I will have 66. 66 is individual angles here. If you add the 3 of them now, you obtain the total angle in the triangle. So at this point, having gotten here as 66, that is the value of our theta. So here now is 66. So to get the total bearing of C from B, that means we are moving from here to here. So we add 90 plus 90 plus 90 and then 66. So adding the both of them, 90 is 270 degrees plus 66. If I add the both, I'll have 3 degrees. So the bearing of C from B is 333 degrees. Alright, I believe you have understood the solution. Thank you so much for coming on board. Please like this video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me also on Facebook and TikTok. God bless you. Bye.